Before we start,
welcome to Maggie B's Family TV. Welcome to Maggie B's Family TV.
the things needed to do this earring is stated here in the capture. Follow along as we do it. We'll be showing you how to do it in two ways. How to do it with jump ring and without jump ring. That means in few minutes, we'll be showing you how to do this earring in two ways. If you are looking for a place to get the accessory to do yours, contact our website, meggybiz.com, or do you want to buy the earring as well? Just contact us and we will make them happen for you. I would like to say that this earring is not heavy at all. The earring weighs about 17 grams. I'm going to be measuring 3 meters, which is approximately 8 centimeters. And you cut that too. By watching the video, you'll be able to do this earring yourself.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby, just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Just not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh.
So I hope this was easy. Now let's do the one without the jump ring. What do we need for this? Eye pin and this accessory here. To take the measurement of this chain, you just have to place your earring clasp on the length you want from the chain. And when you have it, you can count the holes in the chain, cut it out, and do the same with the other pair of earrings. So you can have the same words, the same length.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite.
We'll also be using from the chain to do the jump ring.
Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh. giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. Just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh.
I hope this video was helpful. If you like it, please leave your comments and also tell us what you think we will have do better. We will be happy to read your messages. We read all our tests. Yeah, thanks for watching and see you in our next video. Bye.